Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing Sqlite 3 and opening a connection to a file database. This creates the file if missing. Once done, get a cursor object and execute a create table statement to define your schema. Make sure column types and primary keys match intended queries. Commit the change so the file is written. If you prefer a scoped pattern, use it with Sqlite 3. Connect as con block to auto-commit and simplify cleanup. Now insert and retrieve data while avoiding SQL injection by using parameterized queries. Placeholders are. For many rows, call executemini inside a transaction to dramatically speed up writes. Use con, commit, after significant changes, or rely on the with block to commit automatically. For reads, use cur, execute. Then fetch on, fetch all, or iterate the cursor to stream results. Also set row factory if you want dict-like rows. Wrap up by closing resources. Cur, close, and con, close, or rely on context managers to handle it for you. For deployment, consider enabling WAL for better concurrency and run vacuum occasionally to reclaim space. Make periodic file backups by copying the DB file while the database is not being written. Troubleshooting tip: if you see locked database errors, ensure no uncommitted transactions remain and switch to WAL or increase timeout. Releasing lingering connections usually fixes lock contention quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.